Happy Monday. Super excited for this week. Have some awesome assignments from your teachers. Hope you're doing well. I miss you. Hopefully you're persevering and you are buckling up for the last month of school. So remember, I want you to try as hard as you can to learn, to persevere, and to be accountable for your work. So first up, crew meetup. I'm having about 4 to 8 of you join. I'd love all of you to join. We miss you. We want to see you. Crew meetup this week, and for now on, is going to be Wednesdays. I'm hoping that will help some of you join. Wednesdays at 9 a.m. So for now on, crew meetups are going to be on Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 9:30. Hope to see you there this week. The link to that will be in our crew Google Classroom. Before we go through what you have to do this week for work, I want to talk a little bit about kindness. That's one of our habits of character and learning. Kindness is super important because when you show kindness to other people, you're kind to yourself and you're letting other people see the true you. So our quote today about kindness is, be somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody. It's super important to help people feel the way that you'd want them to want you to feel, right? So I want you to think about ways this week that you can be kind to your siblings, your parents, and people around you. This is an awesome time for us to help each other out and remember that everyone is going through hard times. So I want you to be kind, and I want you to think about ways you can show kindness to others. And I want you to find ways you can show kindness to yourself. One way is to make sure that you are trying hard this week to get your assignments done, because when you are persevering and getting your work done, you're being kind to yourself because you're learning. And school is for you and you only. So with that, let's go through what you're supposed to be doing. So first up is 8th grade. All right, 8th grade, let's talk about what your expectations are this week. First, you've got your iReady. You're going to do 45 minutes of iReady math per week like you've been doing, and then you've got your instruction and math practice pages. Now remember, you've got lots of help here. First, you have your homework help meetups from 11:30 to 12:15 every Monday through Friday, and then you also have those video links on the weekly plan. All right, ELA. Make sure that you're joining Miss Harris on Tuesdays from 2 to 3 to chat with her about the books you're reading, which should be your To Kill a Mockingbird, or just drop in and say hi to her. iReady, you have 45 minutes of iReady per week, and then you also have 45 minutes per day of To Kill a Mockingbird. You're going to read chapters 20 through to 24 this week. Writing this week, you've got a list of 10 vocab words on your Google Classroom. There's 2 different options for writing this week. You can either use 6 of those words in a story that you want to write, or you can use all of those in sentences. 1 word per 1 sentence. Science, your topic is going to be on natural resources. You're going to answer a couple questions. Those questions are found on Google Classroom. They are, what are natural resources? Where do we find natural resources? What are or why are natural resources unevenly distributed? And what natural resources are found in Utah and are not found in Utah? Make sure you're finding that information and your assignment on your Google Classroom and submit it on your Science Google Classroom. Social studies. This week, what you're going to do is you're going to journal about you pretending like you're a grandparent in 50 years. And talk about what you would tell your grandkids what it was like to live during the pandemic that we're living right now. I'm excited to see some of your work on that. PE, hope you're being active, at least 45 minutes a week, more like 45 minutes a day. Find activities in the Google Drive or activities that are getting you to be active and track them on the tracker that is in Google Classroom. Also for PE this week, from 12 to 12:25 on Wednesday, I'm teaching yoga. Join me. Link is in the Google Classroom. And also from Wednesday from 12:30 to 1, we have our live cardio session for PE. All right, for art, you have your sketchbook. You should be sketching something daily in your house. And then last, you've got your landscape project. You're going to find a place outside that features a background, middle ground, and foreground, and you're going to use the skills that you've learned, and you're going to sketch out your landscape. More information on your Google Classroom for art. Last, if you have any questions about the ceiling tile project, reach out to Miss Hendricks if you want to be involved in that, and then draw along and drop in on Thursdays from 1 to 2 with Miss Hendricks. All that information is in your Google Classroom. Last, for digital literacy, you should be doing 15 minutes of typing on typing.com, and then you will either join on a Google Meet Friday at 1 or submit a reflection on what you think you could practice on or could work on. Okay? So, any questions about that, join your Google Classroom. Remember, this week we're meeting Wednesday for crew. I hope I see all of you there. Wednesday at 9 a.m., not Tuesday. Miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will chat with you Wednesday. See you later. Have a great week.